The HTC U11 started with a technology called EdgeSense, and the HTC U12 Plus took that to the next level. All right, here we have the HTC U12 Plus. And, second day here at Mobile World Congress in Shanghai, and I have to say this is probably one of my favorite phones I've seen so far. It has a camera that's in the top 3 of all mobile device cameras. Aesthetically, it looks very nice. It's really thin and light. And of course, HTC is known for their translucent back, so you can see all the circuitry behind if you're ever curious about what goes into a phone. That's always nice to see. But here's the major selling point for me. The HTC U11 started with a technology called EdgeSense, and the HTC U12 Plus took that to the next level. So EdgeSense really focuses on the user experience, which I appreciate. A lot of these phones, like I said, really work on their cameras, making the cameras very nice, the front-facing, back-facing cameras. But I do appreciate a phone that's like, we want to make the user experience more intuitive. And EdgeSense does that. So what you do is you go into the EdgeSense settings, and you can customize different gestures. So you can do a short squeeze, that's what they call it, and that brings me to the home screen. I can do a long squeeze, and that pulls up a dashboard. I can do a side tap, that minimizes the screen, so I can multitask on quite a nice big screen here. Sometimes when you get a phone, you just want to use it straight out of the box. But with this phone, if you want to use the EdgeSense technology, it does take a while to set up, to customize all the different gestures. I think it's worth it in the end, but you can't just use it right out of the box. And the last feature I really like about this phone is that it hooks up to the Vive Focus, which is a standalone VR headset, and it links through Bluetooth. So what that means is, with like the traditional standalone headsets, you have the phone in your headset as a display. But this one, you can use the phone as a separate peripheral to your headset. So you can use it as a keyboard, you can use it to stream directly into your headset, which is really nice. And there's games loaded onto it, so you can use it as a keyboard or some sort of tool in the game.